Bristol Tumbleweed where this train will turn.
Meads station. A lot of disruptions. Not too sure what's going on, but yes, there is a great storm, which I think has passed over now. But yeah, it's still having a knock-on effect on things. I do like the GWR benches that you see at most GWR stations. They are quite nice, I think. How weird this is. End cap coupled to a coach. So weird. Quite a fun station actually. Quite a lot going on. Well, there's not quite a lot going on today because Storm Dara is giving them grief on the railway. But yeah, keep you updated. Last 158 arriving. Five 767. About 769. I think now is 158769. Where it's going because it doesn't say. Oh well. Country service departing there. Nameplated City of Bangor. This is late now. Here comes the driver.
The 1359 Great Western Railway service to Cardiff Central is delayed. This is due to severe weather.